بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
ألف لام ميم را تلك آيات الكتاب والذي أنزل إليك من ربك الحق ولكن أكثر الناس لا يؤمنون.
These are the verses of the book, and that which has come down upon you from your Lord is the truth, but most people do not believe.
الله الذي رفع السماوات بغير عمد ترونها ثم استوى على العرش وسخر الشمس والقمر كل يجري لأجل مسمى يدبر الأمر يفصل الآيات لعلكم بلقاء ربكم توقنون.
Allah is the one who has raised up the heavens without columns, that you may see, then established His authority upon the throne, and made the sun and the moon subservient. Each one runs in accordance to a fixed term. Allah plans the work and explains the signs in details. Somehow you may be certain about meeting your Lord.
وهو الذي مد الأرض وجعل فيها رواسي وأنهارا ومن كل الثمرات جعل فيها زوجين اثنين يغشي الليل النهار إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يتفكرون.
And it is He who spread out the earth and made mountains as anchors and rivers therein, and made in the earth all kinds of fruits in pairs. He covers the night with the day. Indeed, in this are signs for the people who ponder.
وفي الأرض قطع متجاورات وجنات من أعناب وزرع ونخيل صنوان وغير صنوان يسقى بماء واحد ونفضل بعضها على بعض في الأكل إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يعقلون.
And in the earth are various regions and are alongside each other, and gardens of grapes and crops, and date trees grew from a single root and grew separately. All are being given one kind of water, and we make some fruits better than others. Indeed, in this are signs for the people of intellect.
وَإِن تَعْجَبْ فَعَجَبٌ قَوْلُهُمْ أَإِذَا كُنَّا تُرَابًا أَإِنَّا لَفِي خَلْقٍ جَدِيدٍ أُولَئِكَ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا بِرَبِّهِمْ وَأُولَئِكَ الْأَغْلَالُ فِي أَعْنَاقِهِمْ وَأُولَئِكَ أَصْحَابُ النَّارِ هُمْ فِيهَا خَالِدُونَ.
And if you're amazed, then indeed the amazing thing is their saying that will we, after having turned to dust, be created anew? They are those who have denied their Lord, and they are those who will have shackles around their necks, and they are the dwellers of hell, therein they are to remain.
وَيَسْتَعْجِلُونَكَ بِالسَّيِّئَةِ قَبْلَ الْحَسَنَةِ وَقَدْ خَلَتْ مِن قَبْلِهِمُ الْمَثُلَاتُ وإن ربك لذو مغفرة للناس على ظلمهم وإن ربك لشديد العقاب.
And they ask you to hasten the punishment before mercy, whereas the punishments of those before them have already occurred. And your Lord indeed gives people a type of pardon despite their injustice, and the punishment from your Lord is indeed severe.
ويقول الذين كفروا لولا أنزل عليه آية من ربه إنما أنت منذر ولكل قوم هاد.
And the disbelievers say, why has not a sign been sent down upon him from his Lord? O beloved, you are purely a warner and a guide for all nations.
الله يعلم ما تحمل كل أنثى وما تغيض الأرحام وما تزداد وكل شيء عنده بمقدار.
Allah knows whatever is in the womb of any female, and whatever the wombs decrease and increase, and all things are with him in a fixed measure.
عالم الغيب والشهادة الكبير المتعال.
He is the knower of all the hidden and the visible, the greatest, the exalted.
سواء منكم من أسر القول ومن جهر به ومن هو مستخف بالليل وسارب بالنهار.
Equal are the one amongst you who speaks softly, and the one who speaks aloud, and the one who is hidden during the night, and the one who walks the path during the day.
له معقبات من بين يديه ومن خلفه يحفظونه من أمر الله إن الله لا يغير ما بقوم حتى يغيروا ما بأنفسهم وإذا أراد الله بقوم سوءا فلا مرد له وما لهم من دونه من وال.
For mankind, there are alternating angels in front and behind him who guard him by Allah's command. Indeed, Allah does not change His favor upon any nation until they change their own condition. And when Allah wills adversity for a nation, it cannot therefore be turned away, and they do not have any supporter except Him.
هو الذي يريكم البرق خوفا وطمعا وينشئ السحاب الثقال.
It is He who shows you the flash of lightning for fear and for hope, and raises the heavy clouds.
ويسبح الرعد بحمده والملائكة من خيفته ويرسل الصواعق فيصيب بها من يشاء وهم يجادلون في الله وهو شديد المحال.
And the thunder proclaims His glory with praise, and as well as the angels, out of His fear. And He sends thunder, He henceforth causes it to strike upon whomever He wills, whilst they, the disbelievers, are disputing concerning Allah. And severe is His grip.
له دعوة الحق والذين يدعون من دونه لا يستجيبون لهم بشيء إلا كباسط كفيه إلى الماء ليبلغ فاه وما هو ببالغه وما دعاء الكافرين إلا في ضلال.
Calling only Him as God is the truth, and those whom they call upon as gods except Him, they do not hear them at all, but like the one who has his hands stretched out in front of the water, that it may come into his mouth, and it will never come. And every supplication of the disbelievers remains wandering.
ولله يسجد من في السماوات والأرض طوعا وكرها وظلالهم بالغدو والآصال.
And to only Allah prostrate all that are in the heavens and the earth, happily or be it forcefully, and the shadows also prostrate to Him every morning and evening.
قل من رب السماوات والأرض قل الله قل أفاتخذتم من دونه أولياء لا يملكون لأنفسهم نفعا ولا ضرا قل هل يستوي الأعمى والبصير أم هل تستوي الظلمات والنور أم جعلوا لله شركاء خلقوا كخلقه فتشابه الخلق عليهم قل الله خالق كل شيء وهو الواحد القهار.
Say you, O beloved, who is the Lord of the heavens and the earth? You yourself proclaim, Allah. Say you, so have you taken those as supporters except Him, who can neither benefit nor harm themselves? Say you, will the blind and the seeing become equal? Or will every darkness and light become equal? Have they associated to Allah such partners who created something similar to what Allah has created? So, to them, their creation and His creation seemed alike. You proclaim, Allah is the creator of all things, and He alone is the dominant upon all.
أنزل من السماء ماء فسالت أودية بقدرها فاحتمل السيل زبدا رابيا ومما يوقدون عليه في النار ابتغاء حلية أو متاع زبد مثله كذلك يضرب الله الحق والباطل فأما الزبد فيذهب جفاء وأما ما ينفع الناس فيمكث في الأرض كذلك يضرب الله الأمثال.
He sent down water from the sky. Streams therefore gushed according to their capacity. The water flow thus brought forth increasing foam. And similarly, upon which they ignite the fire to make ornaments or other items, from that too emits similar foam. Allah illustrates that this is the example of truth and falsehood. So the foam bursts and disappears, and that water which is of use to the people remains in the earth. This is how Allah illustrates examples.
للذين استجابوا لربهم الحسنى والذين لم يستجيبوا له لو أن لهم ما في الأرض جميعا ومثله معه لافتدوا به أولئك لهم سوء الحساب ومأواهم جهنم وبئس المهاد.
For those people who obeyed the command of Allah, only for them is goodness, and those who disobeyed Him, their condition is such that if they owned all that is in the earth and more like it, being in their possession, they would have given it to save themselves. It is they who will have a terrible reckoning, and their abode is hell. And what a horrible resting place.
أفمن يعلم أنما أنزل إليك من ربك الحق كمن هو أعمى إنما يتذكر أولو الألباب.
So will the one who knows that what is sent down upon you from your Lord is the truth be like the one who is blind? Only those who have intelligence accept advice.
الذين يوفون بعهد الله ولا ينقضون الميثاق.
They are those who fulfill the pact of Allah and do not go back on their word having promised.
والذين يصلون ما أمر الله به أن يوصل ويخشون ربهم ويخافون سوء الحساب.
And those who join what Allah has commanded to be joined and who fear their Lord and have fear for the harsh reckoning.
والذين صبروا ابتغاء وجه ربهم وأقاموا الصلاة وأنفقوا مما رزقناهم سرا وعلانية ويدرؤون بالحسنة السيئة أولئك لهم عقبى الدار.
And those who were patient in order to gain their Lord's contentment and kept Salah established and spent in our way from what we bestowed upon them secretly and openly and repel evil with goodness, only for them is the benefit of the final abode.
جنات عدن يدخلونها ومن صلح من آبائهم وأزواجهم وذرياتهم والملائكة يدخلون عليهم من كل باب.
The gardens of living wherein they will enter, and the deserving one from amongst their forefathers and their wives and their offspring, the angels will come to them from every gate while saying this,
سلام عليكم بما صبرتم فنعم عقبى الدار.
Peace be upon you, the recompense of your patience. So, what an excellent final abode is achieved.
والذين ينقضون عهد الله من بعد ميثاقه ويقطعون ما أمر الله به أن يوصل ويفسدون في الأرض أولئك لهم اللعنة ولهم سوء الدار.
And those who break the pact of Allah after its confirmation, and they break what Allah has commanded to be joined and spread turmoil on the earth, their share is only curse and their destiny is the despicable abode.
الله يبسط الرزق لمن يشاء ويقدر وفرحوا بالحياة الدنيا وما الحياة الدنيا في الآخرة إلا متاع.
Allah increases and decreases sustenance for whomsoever He wills, and the disbelievers became boastfully rejoiced upon the life of this world, and the life of this world in comparison to the hereafter is nothing but a short-lived benefit.
ويقول الذين كفروا لولا أنزل عليه آية من ربه قل إن الله يضل من يشاء ويهدي إليه من أناب.
And the disbelievers say, why was not a sign sent down upon him from his Lord? Say you, O beloved, indeed Allah causes to go astray whomever He wills and guides towards Himself the one who turns to Him.
الذين آمنوا وتطمئن قلوبهم بذكر الله ألا بذكر الله تطمئن القلوب.
Those who accepted faith and whose hearts find satisfaction in the remembrance of Allah, pay heed, only in the remembrance of Allah is the satisfaction of hearts.
الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات طوبى لهم وحسن مآب.
Those who believed and did good deeds, for them is bliss and a good outcome.
كذلك أرسلناك في أمة قد خلت من قبلها لتتلو عليهم الذي أوحينا إليك وهم يكفرون بالرحمن قل هو ربي لا إله إلا هو عليه توكلت وإليه متاب.
Similarly, we sent you, O beloved, towards that community before which other communities have passed on, that you recite to them the revelation we sent down to you, and they are denying the most gracious. Say you, He is my Lord, there is no one worthy of worship except Him. I relied upon only Him, and towards only Him is my return.
ولو أن قرآنا سيرت به الجبال أو قطعت به الأرض أو كلم به الموتى بل لله الأمر جميعا أفلم ييأس الذين آمنوا أن لو يشاء الله لهدى الناس جميعا ولا يزال الذين كفروا تصيبهم بما صنعوا قارعة أو تحل قريبا من دارهم حتى يأتي وعد الله إن الله لا يخلف الميعاد.
And if there would have come such a Quran by which mountains could have moved, or the earth could have burst, or the dead could have spoken, even then these disbelievers would not have believed. Rather, all matters are in only Allah's authority. So, did the Muslims not lose hope with it? That had Allah willed, He would have guided all of mankind? Extreme disasters will continue to strike the disbelievers on account of their evil deeds, or a disaster will descend near their homes until Allah's promise comes. Indeed, Allah does not go against His promise.
وَلَقَدِ اسْتُهْزِئَ بِرُسُلٍ مِّن قَبْلِكَ فَأَمْلَيْتُ لِلَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا ثُمَّ أَخَذْتُهُمْ فَكَيْفَ كَانَ عِقَابِ.
And the messengers before you were indeed also mocked at. I henceforth gave the disbelievers respite for some days and then seized them. So how dreadful was my punishment.
أَفَمَنْ هُوَ قَائِمٌ عَلَى كُلِّ نَفْسٍ بِمَا كَسَبَتْ وَجَعَلُوا لِلَّهِ شُرَكَاءَ قُلْ سَمُّوهُمْ أَمْ تُنَبِّئُونَهُ بِمَا لَا يَعْلَمُ فِي الْأَرْضِ أَمْ بِظَاهِرٍ مِّنَ الْقَوْلِ بل زين للذين كفروا مكرهم وصدوا عن السبيل ومن يضلل الله فما له من هاد.
So is he who keeps watch over the deeds of every soul, and yet they ascribe partners to Allah. Say you, O beloved, just name them, or is it that you inform him of something which in his knowledge does not exist in the entire earth? Or is it just superficial talk? Rather, the deceit of the disbelievers seems good in their eyes, and they are prevented from the right path. And whomever Allah causes to go astray, there is no one to guide him.
لهم عذاب في الحياة الدنيا ولعذاب الآخرة أشق وما لهم من الله من واق.
They will be punished in the life of this world, and the punishment of the hereafter is indeed the most severe, and there is no one to save them from Allah.
مثل الجنة التي وعد المتقون تجري من تحتها الأنهار أكلها دائم وظلها تلك عقبى الذين اتقوا وعقبى الكافرين النار.
A description of that paradise which is promised to the pious. Rivers flow beneath it, its fruits are endless, and its shade also. This is the reward of those who fear, and the end result of the disbelievers is the fire.
والذين آتيناهم الكتاب يفرحون بما أنزل إليك ومن الأحزاب من ينكر بعضه قل إنما أمرت أن أعبد الله ولا أشرك به إليه أدعو وإليه مآب.
And those to whom we gave the book, they rejoice over what is revealed to you, and amongst those groups are some who deny part of it. Say you, O beloved, I am commanded only this, that I worship Allah and not ascribe any partner to Him. Towards only Him I invite, and towards only Him is my return.
وكذلك أنزلناه حكما عربيا ولئن اتبعت أهواءهم بعدما جاءك من العلم ما لك من الله من ولي ولا واق.
And in this way, we have revealed the Quran as an Arabic commandment of Allah. And O listener, if you follow their desires after knowledge has come to you, you will therefore neither have a supporter nor any savior against Allah.
وَلَقَدْ أَرْسَلْنَا رُسُلًا مِّن قَبْلِكَ وَجَعَلْنَا لَهُمْ أَزْوَاجًا وَذُرِّيَّةً وما كان لرسول أن يأتي بآية إلا بإذن الله لكل أجل كتاب.
And we indeed sent messengers before you and made wives and children for them. And it is not the task of any messenger to bring any sign except by Allah's command. And for each promise there is a period in writing.
يمحو الله ما يشاء ويثبت وعنده أم الكتاب.
Allah erases and affirms whatever He wills, and the actual writing is with Him.
وَإِمَّا نُرِيَنَّكَ بَعْضَ الَّذِي نَعِدُهُمْ أَوْ نَتَوَفَّيَنَّكَ فَإِنَّمَا عَلَيْكَ الْبَلَاغُ وَعَلَيْنَا الْحِسَابُ.
And O beloved, if we show you any promise, i.e., punishment that is given to them, or call you to us before it, So, in any case, upon you is just the conveying of the message, and to take their account is our responsibility.
أولم يروا أنا نأتي الأرض ننقصها من أطرافها والله يحكم لا معقب لحكمه وهو سريع الحساب.
Do they not perceive that we are reducing their land from all directions? And Allah gives command. There is no one that can postpone His command, and He does not take long in taking account.
وقد مكر الذين من قبلهم فلله المكر جميعا يعلم ما تكسب كل نفس وسيعلم الكفار لمن عقبى الدار.
And those before them had plotted. Allah Himself is henceforth the master of all secret plans. He knows whatever any soul earns, and the disbelievers will soon realize for whom is the good final abode.
ويقول الذين كفروا لست مرسلا قل كفى بالله شهيدا بيني وبينكم ومن عنده علم الكتاب.
And the disbelievers say, You are not a messenger. Say you, O beloved, Allah is sufficient as a witness between me and you, and so is the one who has knowledge of the book.
صدق الله العظيم.